All right, Jonathan Van Kloot with Trading Research Group again here, and now we are looking at our B period in oil trade and our A period trade in the equities, in ES specifically. ES, we got price projectors on both ends of overnight, so I don't really have anything to look at there. Contested deltas right now. Deltas are orderly. We're below them, so right this instant, sellers are in control. But that could change at any moment. The open is going to be important. So I was eyeing along here in CL, in oil, just leaning on the negative delta, which deltas are disorderly right now. They're the wrong way around. So the buyers are in control right now, and it's going to move. It's not going to stay here. So I was super tempted to jump in early. Didn't do it, and of course now I'm looking at this and saying, oh, I should have this, I should have that, but that's just resulting. That doesn't mean it was the right thing to do. So let's see what it wants to do here. Building up a nice little high volume node up here at the highs. We got up here on some aggression. Once we blew the overnight high, we did so with some zero prints left behind, and we have not looked back. So I do like that we've got not a price projector, but almost a price projector on the pullback bar. I am going to go ahead and throw a limit in here. I'm a little early if it fills, but I like leaning on that negative delta. I don't know that I'll get it there. That could be a bit too aggressive. No, actually, I got it. Okay, and fantastic. Now, looking for it to hold. I think if we get above here, we're going to head higher. All right, here we go. 5 seconds to go. Looking for the little wiggle. And it's looking good. All right, boom. And we're open. And we're heading higher in oil. ES, moving around, watching my oil trade now. And looking okay out. It's playing around here. Okay, ES is, we got price projectors on both ends. I got nothing clear to go on there. Oil again is just holding up here, so I still feel okay for the long, and I think here it comes. And there it goes, boom, and it has broken. I'm going to go ahead and protect one here. And I will go ahead and protect this here below the pullback bar. All right, so I'm out in my cash account and I'm out in my eval. Okay, great. So those are down both positive on the day. Let's focus on ES. ES is looking like it wants to be a short.
Rejected.
Yep, I'm going to go ahead. Oops, hello. That was interesting. Don't know what that was about. Oh, and I caught it. Okay, great. So I guess it was just a timing thing. All right, we are short. It's looking nice, looking good. Leaning on these deltas. That's interesting. We had a tie for negative delta. Now it's gone. All right, and I'm offsides a little bit. Still looking like a short to me. And I'll go ahead and add one here in my cash account. Okay, leaning on more of these deltas here. And we've got some big blue delta, big positive delta there in the pullback bar. I like that. I still like the UB at the low for continuation short. Deltas are moving around. Energy is sweeping to the downside, but we're trying to push higher. And okay, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Okay, the lows are down here. Overnight low, that is. That's what I'm aiming at. All right, we're pushing higher. This area here is kind of my last line of defense. That needs to hold, and so far it has. Looking for those negative deltas. Okay, good. We got a nice big positive delta in the pullback bar that we're holding below. We do have UB at the top of the pullback bar, but we are moving down. So we're heading towards the UB. I really want to see us resolve that. I think it's highly likely that we will. But pullback bar so far. And is the UB going to resolve? I think it is. Yep, there it went. Okay. But we came right back down again. We have got a price rejector now in the pullback bar. Will it hold? It's not a great one. It's going higher. And these deltas right here are it. And they did hold. All right. Fantastic. So there are some sellers sitting on there. We've got some absorption happening at the top of the pullback bar. Let's see if it can continue so far. Okay, min delta is moving around, but we're below it. Looking good. Okay, we just need some more aggression on the sell side to come in, which we're getting, but it's being absorbed. Got absorbed. Okay, good. And they pushed through the absorption. Great. All right, here comes that UB. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. And no, can't quite do it. Still trying. Still trying. I think they're going to push it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. I'm looking to protect this. If we could just take that UB, I'll get a stop in and start chasing it lower. Okay, min delta, holding. And moving around this whole area here. Okay, the sellers are trying to hold it down. They're not really letting it lift. This is all negative delta down here, though. Which means if we get above it, they're all off sides. We could pop higher aggressively. I need to be ready to get the hell out of the way. Of course, I've got my cat stop just overhead anyway now, so even if we were to explode to the upside, I would get taken out. Let's put those at the same spot. All right, but so far we're still leaning short. That could change at any moment, but right now that's what I'm seeing. We're still, price keeps getting slapped down, but it's trying to lift and it'll sweep down. There we go. We're down below min delta again. Can we blow the low? Need someone to drop like 1,000 lot or something and just crash this low. I think it's coming. Come on, sellers. You know you want that UB. You know you want it. Here we go. Boom, there it is. All right, I am going to go ahead and start protecting, but we are not done. We're not done. We're not done. Looking good. I'll go ahead and protect there. If that's what I get, that's what I get. Price rejector, but nope. Looks like we're going to try to push it. Can they do it? Can they do it? No. All right, so I'm out there. Oops, hello, and my stop didn't move. Come on. Trying to get my, there we go, stops in on my cash account. Okay, great. All right, I am out in both accounts. Technically, we didn't blow the low yet, so I could keep playing this, but we've got a price rejector at the low. It's not a particularly impressive one. I do still think there's downside to be had. Where am I at on the day? I'm about 2/3 of the way to my daily goal in the eval, and I am actually at my daily goal in the cash account. So, do I stop or do I continue to play? Is kind of tempting to want to play some more. I think maybe I'll do a 1 lot in the eval, because I like that we're leaning on all of this negative delta. Price rejector is not super impressive, although I mean it's kind of up into the upper end of my maybe range. Like maybe we're done. 91 contracts. Ooh, that's tough. You know what? Now I'm not going to take an opportunity to lose money here. I'm going to just sit on my hands and see if the B period ES trade brings me anything, and if it does, great, and if it doesn't, that's fine too. Just stay green and sit on our hands for the next setup.